Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a minimal project and choosing the right tools. Create an HTML container using CSS Grid for predictable rows and columns, while reserving an absolutely positioned overlay inside that grid for semi-freeform placement. Once done, set a base font size and use box sizing, border box so spacing is consistent. Make sure to include responsive units like VW and rem. These let freeform elements scale. This gives you both the order of a grid and the freedom to move key pieces. Now place components. Assign primary modules to grid areas for structure, then insert semi-freeform overlays inside the same grid cells, but as position, absolute children. Use transform, translate, instead of relying solely on top/left to enable smoother motion and GPU acceleration. Once placed, tune sizes with clamp, and min/max to prevent overlap on small screens. Also add logical z-index layers and pointer events rules so interactive items remain clickable. These steps let you control where freeform pieces can roam. Finish by testing across devices and refining breakpoints. Make sure semi-freeform elements never obstruct essential UI. Optimize performance. Prefer transform and opacity over width/height changes to avoid layout thrash. Add subtle transitions for movement so positioning changes feel intentional. For accessibility, ensure focus order and area labels follow visual order. If overlays get clipped, inspect parent overflow and add overflow, visible or extra padding. That single fix usually resolves common placement failures without reworking the layout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.